Hello students, today we will learn 8 Maths chapter number 7 Variation part 3. In this video we will learn examples related to time, work and speed. Examples related to the number of workers and time taken to finish the work are of inverse variation. Similarly, there are some examples related to the time taken to cover a distance by a vehicle and its uniform speed. Such examples of variation are the examples related to time, work and speed. Now, we will see how to solve such examples of variation. Let's see one question. Which of the following statements are of inverse variation? First example, number of workers on job and time taken by them to complete the job. In this example, as the number of workers increases, the time taken by them to finish a job decreases. So, this is an example of inverse variation. Second example, petrol filled in the tank of a vehicle and its cost. In this example, as the quantity of petrol increases, its cost also increases. So, this is an example of direct variation, not of inverse variation. Third example, number of pipes of same size to fill a tank and the time taken by them to fill the tank. In this example, as the number of pipes increases, the time taken to fill the tank decreases. So, this is an example of inverse variation. Fourth example, area of circle and its radius. In this example, as the radius of circle increases, the area of the circle also increases. So, this is an example of direct variation, not of inverse variation. Let's study another example. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? Here, let the number of workers be n and the time to build a wall in hours be t. Therefore, the number of workers n varies inversely as the time t. N varies inversely with t. Therefore, n is equal to k upon t. Nt is equal to k is the equation of variation. When n is equal to 15, t is equal to 48 hours. Now find out the value of k. 15 multiplied by 48 is equal to k. K is equal to 720 is the constant of variation. And Nt is equal to 720 is the equation of variation. Now substitute the value of t as 30 in above equation. N multiplied by 30 is equal to 720. Therefore, n is equal to 720 divided by 30. N is equal to 24. So, 24 workers will be required. Let's study some more example. A vehicle running at a speed of 48 km per hour takes 6 hours to complete the journey. How much time will be taken to complete the journey if its speed is 72 km per hour? Here, let's assume the speed of vehicle to be s and time taken to travel be t. So, there is inverse variation in speed and time. Therefore, s varies inversely with time. Therefore, s multiplied by t is equal to k is the equation of variation. Now, you have given s is equal to 48 and t is equal to 6. From this, first find out the constant of variation. K is equal to 48 multiplied by 6. So, k is equal to 288. Now, substitute the value of s as 72 and find out the value of t. So here s multiplied by t is equal to k. S at 72 multiplied by t is equal to 288. Therefore t is equal to 288 divided by 72. T is equal to 4. So time taken to travel the same distance at the speed of 72 km per hour is 4 hours. Students, I hope you understood all the earlier examples that we have learned. Now solve examples from practice set 7.3.